Hello everyone, my name is Rabish and you are watching my YouTube channel Ravishgola, where I share daily practice video to learn German for beginners. In today's lesson, we will learn verb and making sentences. So let's begin lektion-7. Lernen, Faven und Jat sentences in German. It means learn verb and simple sentences in German. Also, we will learn verb conjugation. So let's begin. Do not get delayed. So these are some verbs we have taken for learning. Also, we have taken English meanings of the verbs, and also we'll learn what we call in Hindi. So spielen it means to play in Hindi, khelna. Passion it means to speak in English, but in Hindi bolna. Makhan it means to do in English, but in Hindi karna. Asen it means to eat it in Hindi khana. Gehan it means to go in Hindi jana. Trinkan it means to drink in Hindi pina. Okay, so you are noticing one pattern in all three languages. In German, you are seeing en in the end of each word. In English, you are seeing to in the starting of each verb. All, and in Hindi also you are seeing na at the end of the word. So it is infinitive form of verb. In every language, verb always be in infinitive form. After that, we conjugate the verb and then we make the sentences. So let's learn what is the conjugation, and also we will learn to make a simple sentences by using any of these verbs. Okay, so let's start. How to use verbs? For example, we have taken only three verbs from last page: trinken, komen, gehen. Trinken it means to drink in Hindi, pina. Komen it means to come in Hindi, ana. Gehen it means to go in Hindi, jana. Okay. So first of all, we will conjugate the verb, then we will make sentence. So let's learn what the conjugation. In Hindi, you always see pina makes pita. We converted na into ta. In below sentences you are also seeing मैं पीता हूँ, वह पीता है, वह पीती है, तू पीता है, वे पीते हैं, हम पीते हैं. Everywhere you are seeing ta ti te instead of na. Also in learn English, to do. So to is not seen in any sentence of English. Okay, so it is called conjugation, verb conjugation. It means we remove some letters or sometimes we add a new letters in the word of verb. So what we will add and what we will or we should remove from the letter from the verb, that is called verb conjugation. Okay. Also learn how to remove and how to add new letter while creating sentences or while using conjugation. So in German, if the subject is ich, that time we remove en and add e instead of en. Okay. With the subject do, we remove en in the end of the verb and add st instead of that. If the subject is a, s or z, any of them, that time we use T after removing en in the end of the verb. Also we use T if the subject is यह. यह means आप सब, तुम सब. Okay. If the subject is wir, Z for way, and Z with the capital S, it is used in formal situation. If you means aap. Okay, that time we use Z with capital S. And if the subject is plural subject, if the subject is in plural form. that in these three situations we use verb as it is in infinitive. Okay, so let's take some example to create some sentences so that you can get concept and you can clear the concept. Okay, so first sentence is मैं पीता हूँ. In English, मैं we used I, पीता हूँ drink. So for the same sentence in German, we will make ich trinke. As we learned with the subject ich, we remove en and will add e only in the end. Trinke. Okay. Next sentence. वह पीता है. In English, you are seeing he drinks. Here you see we remove to from English verb, and also here we remove to, and but we add s in the end of the verb, but we did not add anything in this. So it depends on subject, what is the subject pronoun or what is the subject form. If the subject is noun, if the subject is noun, that time we should take care subject is plural or singular. The same thing we will follow in German. So वह पीता है, he drinks. Here we learned or we show if the subject is a, s or g, that time we will remove en from the verb and will add only t in the end of the verb. So the subject is, so the correct sentence is er trinkt. Er trinkt. It means वह पीता है. Next one is वह पीती है. If the subject is feminine, that time we make she drinks in English. Here also we remove to from the beginning of the verb and we added s in the end of the verb. The same rule we are following in the German. If the subject is s, g or ear, that time we will remove en and will add t. So we have removed en from the end of the verb and we have added only t. So, so we will read this sentence z trinkt. That means वह पीती है. The next one is तू पीता है. Here we learned if the subject is do, that time we will remove en from the verb and add instead of that st in the end of the verb. So the sentence is do drinks. Do drinks. It means तू पीता है. Let's take next one. नेक्स्ट वन इज वे पीते हैं, हम पीते हैं, आप पीते हो. इफ एनी वन ऑफ दिम subject, that time we will do not remove anything and will not add anything in the verb. As it is we will use in German, but in Hindi we have removed na and used te. Also in English we have removed to from the beginning, okay. But in German we did not remove any letter and not any, sorry, or not add any letter. We will use verb as it is in infinitive form. Okay, I hope you understood how to use verb while making present tense in German. Also we used verb conjugation and learned what is the verb conjugation. Okay, I hope you are enjoying German learning. So we will learn other sentences, other verbs in next video with next topic. Till then, thank you. Danke, auf Wiedersehen. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. It means thanks for